They think she's sick.
Melanie.
Stop
She's like,
it.
oh, Mom, I'm sick. I want to stay home. I don't want to go to school today.
Stop it. That's not good.
Yeah,
She's
good
trying to cough.
girl.
Only coughing's good.
But
It's not good
that's
for your
fine.
throat. Quit it. Quit it. Isn't that good to teach her how to cough? Teach her how to talk. Huh, Melanie? Say, yeah. That's not
Good
good.
girl.
That's not good for developing a brain. Whoa.